Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel again. So as I say guys, I'm here in Dubai Mall and the purpose of making this video is I want to capture all the beautiful photogenic place in Dubai Mall for you guys. So when you are planning to visit Dubai, you have to see my videos and you can see where you have to go to click the videos. So I start with the first topmost uh, places to visit, right? And one by one I'm gonna show you everything. So keep watching and yeah, hope you will love this one. Let's go. Second is you will take escalator from here on top and you will see the Burj Khalifa from very close. It's on 11th floor. You will take from Hassan Avenue parking, 11th floor. So here you will see the grand parking and from parking you will see the one and only Burj Khalifa from very close. This is the first one that I want to show you guys. Now but you can see so many buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here the one and only Burj Khalifa. So this was my first one. Now I'll go to second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Wow, how much I can, I'll do everything. Okay. So keep watching. The second one. Boom. Spider. Your second one. You can take pictures here. So here we have another. This is also one of the best place to take pictures. You know. MashaAllah. So in this video हैन म चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई सानो ठाउँहरु जहाँ you can take pictures हैन हरु पनि क्याप्चर गरिरहेको छु. So now it's time to go on luxury area, same floor, second floor. Guys ready? See this one. MashaAllah. And it goes from here to there. सबै जानु भइजान्छ. यो सबै त्यो है फेरि के अरे लग्जरी एरिया, लग्जरी ब्रान्ड एरिया अन्त So guys, keep watching. There is more to come, more to explore Dubai Mall. Keep watching. यो चाहिँ सबभन्दा बेस्ट place of Dubai Mall है, to take pictures, selfies and everything है. लाउँछ यहाँबाट यो उतैसम्म छ. I'm gonna show you everything now, okay? Be with me. But this is one. त्यो एउटा भयो. यहाँ अर्को छ. माशाअल्लाह. यहाँ अर्को छ अनि यहाँ पनि अर्को छ. दामी छैन त? यो चाहिँ one of the best for photogenic है, फोटोको लागि. यहाँ पनि छ है. Oh, this is another one. It's a skating place, ice skating, where you can come, have fun and you can enjoy. You can take classes maybe. Oh. That's it. This one is the best one that has attracted so many customers. This is Dubai Mall Chinatown, guys. So, esto dami cha, they will give you vibes of China. You will feel like you are not in Dubai. See this beautiful arrangement. यसको पछि छुट्टै ब्लग पनि बनाएको छ हैन. You guys can have watch there. This is the best place for photogenic. Photo किन्नलाई यो छ the best place हेर्नु नि. Holy cow. So it's on second floor above ice skating. The name is Chinatown. यहाँ तपाईँले फोटो दिनुहोस्. आई लभ दुबई फोटो. मसँग फोटो पनि छ. आई लभ दिस वान फोटो अल्सो. होइन. एन्ड वी हेभ साकुरा. आई डोन्ट नो वाट द फ्लावर नेम्स बट I'll tell him Sakura. Time छैन त? Mashallah. There is one more place, the big giant panda. त्यो पनि देखाउँछु म. त्यसपछि Chinatown सकिन्छ. And I'll go to other place, okay? So keep watching. There's more place to see again, guys. See? There is the giant panda. If you wanna see the full descriptive videos of Chinatown, हैन मैले यसको छुट्टै भिडियो बनाएको छु मेरो च्यानलमा. You can have a watch there also. Here we have Chinese temple and here we have the giant panda. Boom. Boom. Bomb. So that's all for Chinatown, guys, हैन. यहाँबाट के पनि छैन. Now I'm going to take you the other place, for any place. This is the next one, guys. Dinosaur skeleton. अन्त आमाले चाहिँ घाँस खाने डाइनोसरको है हड्डी मात्रै. कति लामो छ न बाफरे. त्यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म छ. होइन खतरा. Here we have another one, giant tiger. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. This is also another place you can take pictures. Oh, khatra. It's in second floor, guys. No, ground floor. So guys, don't skip. Keep watching. Huh? There is more to come. Here we have Adidas. More places are yet to come, so keep watching. So there is another place. If you guys come in this section, come on this way, and you will see another hidden place to get a beautiful picture. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. No smoking, guys. Come this way. And okay, you are there. You are there. See here. You are there. And you will not expect what I'm gonna show you. And here. Yes. See? This one maximum people doesn't know about this place. Mashallah. That's the entrance. You can come from the waterfall and directly here to take a wholesome picture of this place. The whole Burj Khalifa देख्न पाइन्छ के. Maximum people doesn't know about this place, हैन. I was known by मलाई चाहिँ त्यसले भनेको थियो के राजीवले. And I came here and I took these pictures and whoever comes with me I always came here to take pictures. यहाँबाट फोटो खिच्यो भने तपाईको फुल दुबई के रे बुर्ज खलिफा आउँछ के मज्जाले. And maximum people doesn't know about this place. So this is one of the best place, हैन, to take pictures. It's connected to this hotel. अब चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई बाहिरको भाग देखाउन गइरहेको छु है. The outside place. So guys, यस्तो ठुलो मल छ नि त. अब म कहाँ खोज्दै त गाह्रो हुन्छ कि बाफरे. Now I'm taking you guys to Dubai Mall Aquarium, है. Aquarium लगिरहेको छ तपाईहरुलाई Aquarium. So guys, this is another place, Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. We are here. अहिले मान्छे कोही पाले यो पुरै भर्दै मान्छेहरु कोही मान्छे छैन. आमा हेर्नु न. That's another best attraction place of Dubai Mall, guys. You know shark. Ooh. Or else more fishes. Ooh. Boom. Another one. Chimpanjing. So the another sport is the guys water dance. Last but not least, this is the place where people always come to visit Dubai Mall to see the world tallest building, Burj Khalifa. My goodness. Sanda. That's Dubai Mall, that's Nike, that's Apple Store. So that's the best place. Just two more place more now. So guys, there is more 2-3 places remain now, है ना? I'm gonna go that side and that side. 2 places more to explore. Then I think I'm done with the Dubai Mall places. Right? I'm gonna take you on that side first. Boom. This is another photogenic place where you can take selfie pictures with the view of Burj Khalifa, guys, है ना? दामी आउँछ यहाँ पिक्चर पनि. I have already taken so many pictures here. So तपाईहरु बाहिर आयो भने यहाँ पनि फोटो लिन सक्नुहुन्छ. So guys, we are almost done now, है ना? अब I think one last remaining on that side, down of Burj Khalifa, है ना? There is a photogenic place, है ना, with full of lights, है ना? I'm going to take you that place now. Ani, that's it for the today, है ना? Let's go on that side and capture that place. Here is more photogenic pictures. I love Dubai. You can take picture here also. This one is just random video, hey guys. In front of our, all people are lined up here just to watch water fountain, है ना? Because every 30 minutes the water fountain will play, the water dancers play. So, है ना? Boom. So guys, another thing you can do in Dubai is this one, lake ride. So I knew that it was not here before. Now they add this one also, lake ride. So you can book a ticket and you can have all the lake ride here. So this is one of the another features or one of the another things you can do in Dubai Mall when you come to visit. Lake ride. Another place I want to show you was this one, guys. This tunnel. Before it was full of light, है ना? You can take pictures, everything here. But I say but later maybe they will add lights, है ना? So you can take pictures a lot from here. So guys, that's all for the video, है ना? And I think I almost features every place that you have to visit or you can take pictures in Dubai Mall, right now. Starting from the top of the parking and everything that I can show you. I think I captured everything. If not, if you guys think I missed something else, please comment down below so I can capture next time. So right now, अब चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा full 360 view गराएर बाइ बाइ भन्न चाहन्छु and just to let you know that Dubai Mall चाहिँ एकदम ठुलो छ and it's very hard to finish in one day. So if you are new, see my videos and see which place you have to visit. Okay, till then, bye bye and love you all, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you now 360 view of my video. Boom. Dang. 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 Olimar.